everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm 𝗕𝗿𝗿𝘀 and today I'm answering a question on whether a personal brand makes you more successful. I'm going to be talking about this if you're an employee employed by someone or if you're an entrepreneur or looking to start your own business. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this with helpful tips on personal branding and personal style. So does having a personal brand make you more successful? Well, I do believe that this entirely depends on your meaning of success. So you have, are you working towards success in the traditional sense of a career progression and wealth? So many of us are. So in that case, we're going to be talking about how it can build more sales. Or is it like Daniel Pink debunks this is a myth when it comes to success and believes that people need to pursue 3 intrinsic elements of autonomy? Well, I do believe that this entirely depends on your meaning and definition of success. But if you're looking for more impact, more income, more reach, then absolutely developing your personal brand, whether it's part of your career progression or whether it's life and developing your own business and growing that, either way, it is absolutely going to help you. So whether you're an entrepreneur or employee, we all have a presence. We all have a personal brand. You might not be using it to the best of your capabilities at the moment. Personal branding really allows us to become conscious of our differences, which will ultimately lead us to be able to stand out, be noticed, and taken more seriously and credibly. When your personal brand is on point and clear, which is where a lot of people go wrong, customers, clients, vendors, press, companies that are looking to hire you are much more easily able to find you because you're more visible. Now more than ever, people want to engage with people who are personally and professionally appear authentic, and the easiest way to do this is by leveraging your personal brand. Okay, investment, which means investment in your time, in your personal brand will set you apart. Having a strong personal brand will give you more control over career and business opportunities. And it also provides added value in that you'll be able to give you a chance to have your service become valued in the industry. You know, throughout the past 15 years, I've built my personal brand alongside my business, which has led to, honestly, greater opportunities personally and professionally. Because I've got an identifiable personal brand, it's landed me the opportunity to work with premium brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton. I've been invited to speak at Arsenal Football Club, thankfully not about football, personal branding and style. I've been asked to deliver a TEDx talk, mentor business professionals from Harvard Business School, and so much more. All of these achievements have resulted in the recognition of my personal brand and increased sales within my business, which goes back to the earlier point. What does success mean to you? As an entrepreneur, enhancing your personal brand, we said, gives you more opportunity, but it will also help you to be recognized as a thought leader and command a premium rate. Through experience, those that I've worked with, I've seen progress through their personal brand and their business is when they've got clarity in their message, their business grows. I've seen them fast forward their success, which ultimately leads to personal success too. Just recently, I was working with a client who got really clear on what her goals were and her message, and her business inquiries doubled within 2 months, just having clarity in her messaging and more visibility with her target audience. Here's the thing, that people buy from people that they trust and can relate to, and having that personal brand makes you more memorable to your audience. The more time you invest in your personal brand will allow you to build relationships with people that you enjoy working with. And they might not become clients straight away, but you can start to nurture, serve, and educate your audience. And here's the thing, if you're in the market of doing something that someone else does, there's a high chance you might have a similar message. But if you've got a personal brand, it's going to help you stand out from your competition and increase the opportunity of referrals from friends or fellow entrepreneurs. They will remember what you do and how you can actually help them. So absolutely, it can make you more successful if you run your own business. But what about if you're an employee? How will this help you stand out amongst your colleagues? Again, I've witnessed it firsthand that it can fast track your career over your colleagues if you work on your personal brand. The job market is more competitive than ever. Showcasing your capabilities over another candidate will help elevate your job prospects, but but it will also give you visibility in an industry that will lead to potentially better job offers or career progression. Not only that, when you develop your personal brand, you're seen as a thought leader in your industry. Think about Cheryl Sandberg or 𝗣𝗲𝗿𝘀𝘁𝘀, who was the CMO and the Vice Chair of Innovation at General Electric. Both leverage their personal brands after roles within the organisation to write books and share learnings based on their experiences with roles they had. There's no escaping. We are all personal brand. And if there's nothing out there on you online, it can also give the opinion, if you're an employer, thinking, well, what are they hiding? Or what have they not achieved if it's not actually out there for people to see? So take control of your personal brand will put you in the driver's seat. It's about being seen as real, authentic, and letting others see what you're really about. Personal branding isn't going anywhere, so start today and make your footprint much more visible. If you would like some help with this, click the link below. We've got a 42-page personal brand audit that you can download and see where your personal brand is right now. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the next video.